Hey everybody, it's Miss Cabrera. How y'all doing? I know you haven't heard from me, but rest assured I've been behind the scenes talking to Campo, checking in on you guys, and looking at some of your comments and stuff that you've been making on the classroom, the Google Classroom. I'm really excited to see a lot of you getting involved already in e-learning and doing an awesome job getting your work done. Awesome. I'm so excited to see more and more students getting in on the Google Classroom. I'll be trying to make some more screencasts for you guys so you can sort of get, you know, so you won't forget who I am. And also, I'm excited about the Zoom calls that we're going to be having weekly with Miss Campo and the other classes. So if you're going to be there tomorrow, I'm super excited to see you. Okay, so let's get started. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a membean account. And if you're like, what in the world is membean? I don't know what that is. Well, that's all right. This is something new that we're trying out, and I think it's going to be a really awesome website for you. Basically, it's just something that you're going to do for 20 minutes a day, 4 days a week. So when that is really is whenever you want, but as long as you do 20 minutes a day, 4 days a week, it does track how many minutes you log and how many days you log. Miss Campo and I are suggesting that you just do it for 10 minutes before reading, 10 minutes before writing. But let's get started. Enough of me talking about it. Let's get started. So I'm going to show you how to enroll in it. So I'm going to click on this link where it says membean.com enroll. And it's asking me for a class code. So I'm going to go back here and you can either write it down on a piece of paper or I'm actually just going to copy and paste it in here. And I'm going to click join your class. Okay. So do you have a membean account? No, since we are starting to create our account now? No, the answer is no. I need an account. I don't have one at all. Don't even know what membean is. I need an account. So I'm going to type in test student, but you need to type your real first name and last name. And what I also want to suggest to you is that you use your at Chelsea Schools email address. So it's whatever you use for your Chromebook login plus at Chelsea Schools with an S, make it plural.com. So let me just type that in for you at Chelsea Schools. You see that plural S? That always trips people up. Make sure you don't forget that, okay? So whatever your Chromebook login is. But for my sake, I can't use my at Chelsea Schools email because I already made an account with it for my teacher account. So I'm going to have to use something different, okay? This is my old email account from, I don't even know how old I was. I was like 14 or 15 when I made this. We're still going strong. Okay, so yes, I am in 6th grade and I'm going to create an account. Fingers crossed it works. And yes. Okay. I'm going to do never for now because I don't want to mess with that. And then it says welcome. Okay, it says test because I put my name as test student. So it's like my first name is test. That's fine. And it says use your email address when logging in. So great. I love the reminder. Thank you, membean. So that's what I'm going to use to log in along with my password. And for you, it's going to be your at Chelsea Schools information. I'm going to say it again. Don't forget the S, chelseaschools.com. Let's get started. So you're like, what calibration? So basically all this is going to do is it's going to ask you if you do know words or if you don't know words. It's not going to ask you what the definition is. It's not going to ask you anything crazy. It's just going to say, do you recognize this word? And if the answer is no, click no. If the answer, and I'm just going to, act like I'm a student here and say, I don't know that word, okay? I do know that word. It is very important that you be completely honest. This is not for a grade. All right, this first part is not grading you. What it is trying to do is it's trying to figure out what kind of words do you need to practice, all right? So don't worry about that. Anyway, please go slow when you're doing this. I'm about to finish this recording, but that is how you make your account. And then I'll go make another recording of how do you use the website, all right? So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a nice day.